Oh boy, I can't wait to play with my new train set. Wow, this is gonna be so cool. Okay, so it's like there's the engine, there's the coal car, there's a box car, and there's a tanker car, there's a flat car, and the last car is a caboose. The caboose is always at the end of a train. Wow, can't wait to play with my new train. Patrick gave it to me yesterday. And this little box here, this is what controls the train. So I can control the speed of the train with this dial right there. Okay, so I think I'm gonna turn on the train. Okay, I'm gonna turn the dial. Okay, so first, I'm gonna make this train go really slow. Okay, I think it needs to go a little bit faster. Oh, it's gaining speed. Okay. I think that's good. There's a train over there. Oh no, it's coming. Wow! Look at the train. And the caboose has lights too. It's really cool. I'm gonna sit right here and watch it. Okay, it's coming down the track. Whoa. Wonder what it looks like from above. Wow, that's really cool. It's moving pretty fast too. And there's a crossing over there for the cars. So it looks like the green and gold car get to go first. Okay, the train's coming. Better get across. Okay, the green one got across. The gold one, other cars are still over there. I better stop the train so they can get across. Stop, train. It stopped. Okay, now all the cars can cross the track. The gold one. The garbage truck. The white car. And the red one. They all made it across safely. Now, time to start the train back up. Wow, it's so cool. I really like my new train set. Thank you so much, Patrick. I love it. Ooh, do you know what would be really fun? I want to ride the train. Okay, I think I can sit on this car here. I can ride the train. Whoa. I'm riding the train. This is really fun. Hi, cars. Ah! Oh no, the train lost its caboose. And it's still going. Wow. Awesome train. I have a great idea. I'm gonna get out my block set and I'm gonna build a tunnel for the train. Oh, this is gonna be awesome! Okay, time to build my blocks. And dump them out right in the middle. That's a lot of blocks. Okay, so I think I'm gonna build a tunnel over there by that rug. Okay, I need the green one, the blue one, oh, and the red one too. Okay, so I just got the tunnel made in the little village. I just need to put one more block. I'm gonna put this blue one right here. There we go. All finished. Now, time to test the tunnel. Looks pretty good. Train's over there. Okay, time to try it. Okay, hopefully this time it will work. Wow, the train went through the tunnel. I'm gonna watch it this time. And here it comes. Wow, that's really cool. Oh, okay. Oh, I better get off the track. Well, the tunnel works. I have an idea. Let's push the block in farther. Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh, the train broke the tunnel. Ooh, let's break this part. Uh-oh, there's a block on the track. Wow, this train can go through anything. Oops. Wow. The train went through all the blocks. This train is really fun. Wow, I can get through anything. Let's put all of them on the track. Yeah. Wow. This train is so cool. Well, I guess it's time to clean up now. I have to put all these blocks away. Time to shut the train off. Oh, that did it. Time to put my blocks away. And the train. Make sure and I'll thank Patrick tomorrow for this awesome train. And maybe next time, he can come over so we can play with the train together. And I can show him my blocks. We can build a house and, yeah, that'll be really fun. Okay, the rectangle one goes in the rectangle. Okay, and the circle, and the circle one goes in the circle. Lots of work, but it was worth it though. It was really fun.